I wanted to do something different, and I felt like I've worked on myself and worked on um, a certain style of music. Then you come ask me what me working for. Am I working for the house or a little car? Where with your money, me I know devil na par. Man a Rasta man, we a real superstar. A song we chant and plant when we working so hard. At the end of the day, it's all about how it makes me feel. Every track must make you feel something. My pants up on my shoes up on my shirt. Wonder where me come from, where me live and where me work. What kind of swag that me a fling panja earth. What kind of accent that I come from me mouth. Well, if you never know, you better stop and check. If you feel the vibe, then you connect. If you connect, you feel the vibe. It works both ways, you know. I'm on a play real hard in this a reggae nation. We clean up the system situation. How we start the train, how we make it so wrong. It's up to us now to do the right. If education is the key, then why isn't it free? From kindergarten up to tertiary. Ignorance is the tradition, pass it down on to me.